There's a lot of
Oh,
people.
sorry. Yes, yes.
There's a lot of people during this coronavirus season that are asking on Facebook, "Hey guys, what kind of movie should I watch? Help! I'm all alone with some books and I don't know what to read." People don't really know how to decide things for themselves. Well, I'd like to chip in and help, but I don't have Netflix. But I'll tell you what I'll do for you. I'll act out some improvised rom-com comedies for you. So let's start with this one. It's called The Boy with the Cardi. Oh, sorry about that. I didn't mean to throw my card in your direction. I'll just take that. Tell you what, if you're cold, why don't you keep it? I got a short walk back home anyway. Maybe I'll see you around. Day 2 at the library. Hey, man, I'll see. Hey, I'll catch up with you guys. I just dropped an empty Jaffa Cake box. This your empty Jaffa Cake box? Sorry about that. I'll pick it up there. You go to school around here, or? Yeah. I've seen you doing the cheerleading out there. Your name's Jennifer Anderson. I'm Todd Brad, and yeah, I play with the band. I do I play football, sports, soccer. Yeah, my dad used to beat me. That makes me a bit of a rebel. But anyway, I've said too much emotionally. I'll see you around. This is called Love What? Listen, man, she walked out on me. I'm never gonna fall in love again. The whole marriage thing was shit. You've been my best friend for a long time. You're a beautiful girl. Why did we never get together? Wait a second. Did I just say that to my best friend who's a beautiful girl? That's another rom-com. What else? What else is a rom-com thing? How about this one? We'll do another one of these. Let's see. Pow! Pow! Stop hitting me! Pow! I'm just a sensitive artist. Man, I'm never gonna get a girlfriend. I get beat up all the time. What you need is to be a real man. Who are you? I'm the guy that works in the neighborhood. I used to be a boxer. Now I work with kids. I'll tell you what, I could trade you. I don't know. I seen the Karate Kid. I couldn't even make it through the first 20 minutes. It's like, Look, the first thing you gotta know is that a punch is your best friend when you're not on the receiving end. Wow, I think I get what you mean. Now those bullies at school, you gotta go. I'll try it. Hey, fucking loser! What are you gonna do? Break like a twig? Hello, I've been on hold with the bank for about an hour and a half right now, and the reason I'm calling the bank is I'm not even a customer of this bank. It's just because I love bank on hold music. So when they finally answer, I'm going to say, "Hey, I play keyboards too. I want to know who does your background piano, because I've got a few. You know, when this virus is over, I want to get out there and start shopping some tunes around. I've got some on hold music too that I want to pitch to like Barclays or Lloyd's." Your call is very important to us. If you'd like to speak to us quicker, you can download the most expensive app on the most expensive phone. Your position in the queue is 550,000. If you'd like to talk to one of our professionals, download our latest app and show off your sparkling new phone to everybody in the world and go, "Twinkle, twinkle, look, it's an iPhone 25. Your call is very important to us. All this information will be held strictly confidential. If you like cookie and value your privacy settings, download our latest TikTok app. Your position is number 55 fucking thousand in the queue. Here at Bank of America, we know the coronavirus is very dear and important to you all. That's why we believe in apps. We know technology can be scary, but this app is very easy to use. I know, I am an app. One of the things I've realized in my self-isolation is that there's different ways to walk. I'm going to try this next time I'm out. It's called the light swing of the arms, and just a real kind of mincy step. Mincy step, side-by-side swing. There's all sorts of walks I want to debut when we're finally out among the people. I miss the people. You know, a lot of people know I was kind of an outdoorsy, kind of hanging out. I was a very sociable creature. I was the kind of guy that would go in a room and I'd buy cocaine and gin for everybody. And I was known as man about town. I was the most social, and people would say, why don't you ever write any comedies? Not time. I got to get on the Learjet and go to Bethnal Green and hang out with the Comedy Unleashed people. And then I got to go to the other comedy clubs that all loved me. And people like Meryl O'Rourke. And I say, hey, Meryl, tell me about your latest. You're doing a show called I'm a Mother. And, you know, that's what I miss. I miss the whole community of comedians. This has been very, very difficult for me this time because I got into comedy because I just love other comedians. You know, I'm not really that funny. I don't really have an original idea. For me, it's about hanging around in a big group of other comedians that kind of leech on you and, like, I don't know, mothers with their pups. You know, and that's what I miss. I think that's what self-isolation has taken from me. And I know a lot of comedians are struggling right now. And they're saying to themselves, help, help, across the wide cavernous caves of the internet. And I'm over here on the cliff saying, I can hear you. When will we be able to hang out together? I don't know all my friends in the comedy world, but let's stick together online. Together we can defeat this. What about the virus? Oh, pish-posh the virus. What's important is that we help each other, the comedians. All right, so good to be down here tonight, guys, as well. You know, I had a bath earlier. Do you guys, are you shower or bath kind of people? Like, I took a bath earlier. And that's basically it, because I basically write the beginnings of jokes, Will, so I don't know if you can help me with that, because I'm really, really sure I can write a lot of good beginnings, like, hey, did you notice something about lino? It's like kind of a weird, like you want, like, how to close it, that's what I'm looking for. So I write a lot, I specialize in the beginning of jokes. So if you want to take a look at these, Will, this is notebooks 1 through 17, those are some of my early beginnings of jokes, and here's notebooks 18 through 3000. If you get, I know you're busy, but it would really like your opinion, because I've got some good stuff in there. Like, here's what, you ever look at yourself in a medicine cabinet mirror? It's like, am I this guy or what? You know, but something to kind of like, you know, I woke up this morning and I looked up and I said, you know, what did I say? I don't know. Like, hey, the funny thing about, you know, fans in the summer is like they, you know, and then they, well, yeah, I can just boom, boom, boom. You know what I'm saying? It's like lightning. Like, boom, beginning. But I really need an end. Like, you know, what is this with the stars in the towel? I know there's something there. Will. So the question, how do you end it? What is the secret? Does this work as a microphone? Or is this what you call a crutch? Am I using a crutch? And what I want to do is I want to get a brick wall here with some kind of logo like Laffo's Comedy Club. I don't know. Or should I start with just like writing material first? I don't know. I'm new to this. I'm not, but I saw Toby Young on stage at Comedy Unleashed and I thought, hey, if that fuckhead can do it, anybody can. Thank you.